Okay. Let's try to make a layout. Simple layout. We'll just have a website this way. We'll make headers. And here we'll just make, this is a main part, main container. And here we have a footer. And inside main container, we have two parts. One is sidebar part, which is around 30%. And this is the main container, which is around 60%. This is the basic layout, which I will make with the help of Flexbox. So let's try to replicate it. So for that, let me just go to desktop. And here I can just go to full stack in the CSS, right click. Okay, I will just open the Flexbox, right click, open with code. Okay, and here what I'll do, I'll just cut this and we'll just make a basic template.html. Okay, I'll just make it this way. And let's make it a basic site. Okay, we'll try to make a basic site with Flexbox. Okay, so first let us start with the header. Okay, we'll just try to make as simple as, and we can have a nav bar. Okay, nav, and inside nav I can have a UL, which is having ally items, home, which we can have, okay, about, and we can write contact us. We can just write contact us. That's all. Next, after header, I can just write main. Inside main, I can just write div. I can write an ID for this sidebar. And I can just write a text sidebar. Okay. And here I can just write div dot okay, which ID, let us say I will write main. Okay, this is my main. And after completing this main, I can just write something called as footer. I can just write footer here. Okay, sorry, we can just write footer text. Simple, basic. My HTML is ready. This is the what basic site HTML is required. Right click, open with live server. Okay, this is what I got. So now let's try it to style it. For that, let us come here, or else what we'll do is we'll just create a new file. Let us say, not folder, we'll create a file. Let us say basic template.css, enter, and I can just come here and I can link this file with the help of link tag. And the style is basics template.css. Here for testing purpose, I can just write star M0 margin 0, and I can just write P0 padding 0. For that, let us test. Okay, all these things are done. And I can just make UL, means I want to make list style none. I'm just doing some basic formatting for now. Okay, let us take now, let us open them side by side. Okay, we'll split our editor. And here we can just see our HTML. We can write our style, and then we'll see the output. First, we have a header. So let's start from our header. I can just write header style. Let's try to minimize the styles, but we'll just try to use header. I can just have a BG color of something, maybe kind of this color. Hopefully, yeah, this is the background color. I got this. Next, I can style my nav bar. I can have a display flex. Okay, I don't want nav. I just give the UL only, display flex. And here I can just write one more image also. Okay, I can just write one img, and let's come to free pick for just basic icon maybe. Okay, I need single icon. Maybe any one icon is not available. Huh? I don't want full collection. Okay. Okay, let's copy any one of the icon. Right click, copy image address, and we'll come here and we'll paste this here. And for the purpose, I can just write width, right? Width property 100 pixels. Let's come and see our thing. Okay, it looks this way. For header, this is nav is there, right? Nav has two items. One is image and one is UL. So for this header, I can just give display flex. Simple. Display flex. Okay. For header, sorry, not for header. I just want display flex for the nav. Okay. For nav, I want to have display flex, so that this and this, they are came in same line. Okay. Now 100 pixels is also very big. Let's make it around 60 to 80 pixels only. Okay, let's make it 60 pixels for that. Okay, it's okay, right? For that, it's okay. And display flex, I can write justify content center. Okay, not justify content center. I don't want in center. Justify content space around. I just want space around. So you can see space around. Okay, it's fine. Logo I need, or else you can just write space between. It will give the between space. They will come to end. Okay, but for now it's okay for me to have this way. Now I can just select the UL. Here also I can just write display flex. Okay, display flex. You can see they will come in the same line. And I can just write the align item center here. Align item center. You can just say they come in center. And I can just write the margin right. I can just give margin right of 10 pixels. Hopefully it will just give some separate here. So it is not giving. Okay, UL. I don't want in UL. I just want in LI. I'll cut it from here and I can just get UL, and inside that LI, I just want to have this. Okay, I got home, about us, contact us. So this logically should be A tag, right? So we can just make them A tag also if we wish, or else just keep it this. And what I want is color is there. Okay, it's I want to have this only color. For now, let me just focus on the flex. We can just do the colorings, hover effects, we can do so on. So this is my header ready. So similarly, I just need footer ready for, or else we'll just do the main part here. Okay, this is head part done, right? Header style done. So let's try with the main styling starts. I'll make a comment. This is CSS comment. And for this, I can come here. Now I can start with this. I can close the header done. So now let's make it main. How many children main have? Okay, this is my main. Main having two children, one sidebar and one is main, ID main. So I can just give the direct main as display flex. Main, I can just use this way, and display flex. Okay, and let's give the ID sidebar, right? So ID sidebar will write BG color green, background color. Okay, BG color red here, and we'll also give the main ID main. I can have main as BG color green. Color green. Okay, let's check. I got this. And for this display flex is done. I just want width to be 100%. Okay. And flex basis, I will just use one property, flex basis. I can write 1. And here I can just write flex basis. Flex basis, I can just write 3. Okay, it's not changing. I can just give the width here maybe. Okay, this is the flex, right? Wait, flex basis 1. We need to open your yesterday's chat. Flex box, and we can get our cheat sheet from here maybe. Okay, in the images I can get anywhere. Let's go image. And where was the cheat sheet yesterday's? Yes, this was the one. Okay, for that, let me just come here. Okay, we have seen this. I'm just teaching you that how we can get the things done also. Okay, because no need to remember everything. For this, let me just go to cheat sheet. Okay, it gives flex basis. Set the main size. Okay, main size of the flex item. Okay, I need to give the flex size of the item, then only flex basis works. Okay, how much space should be taken up by the flex item? Okay, I can write flex grow better. Instead of flex basis, we can just try with the flex grow. Flex grow. And what's the value I can give? I can give 1. And here also, instead of flex basis, I can just write flex grow. Flex. We'll try with this. Hopefully it should work. Okay. You see, I got the size. Now it is 1 part and it is 3 parts. Totally 4 parts are divided. Simply, you can just write, let us say this should take 2 parts and this should take 3 parts. Means totally 5 parts are there. This take 2 parts and this take 3 parts. Okay. And for this items, sidebar and all these things, I just can give a height for them. Okay. We can give a height so that it will be very easy for us. 90% I am giving height. So it should come down, hopefully. It is not coming. Okay. VH, viewport height. Yeah, they came down. So instead of 90 VH, I can just go out around 87 or 85 based on our designing or styling we can give. Okay. Let's hope for. Now the last thing I'm keeping for the footer. Okay. For that, I will just come here. Let's check our footer. Let me just write footer, and footer, we can get a BG color. BG color, same as similar to the our top. Okay, I got the same color. So hopefully you can see the layout which we thought of, our header, sidebar. Okay, sidebar, you cannot see this color. Sidebar, our main content, and this is our footer. So you can just write align them send in somewhere, and you can just use the different things. Okay. I can also use paddings and margins, but this is the best way or easiest way to make the layouts. So here what you can do, here you can write social media icons, means icons you can give. Here sidebar, you can make it 1 part and this is 6 part. Whatever you wish to make, you can just give it. I just want this as 1 part. Total part should be, let us say, imagine around 5. Total part 6. 1 part is for this, and logically this is how it looks, right? So inside this also we can have something. Let us say inside main we have one more div which is having ID flex, and here we have some other things. Let us say image we have, and sources, let us get from our favorite thing. Okay, let's get the icons. I'm just taking this as images. Okay, I'll just copy image address, will come here and we'll paste it here. And for now, we'll just get it duplicated. Okay, now if you see our style, you got these icons. Okay, this should logically be PNG, right? But what it is, image. Okay, it's JPG. Okay, the image is JPG. If you have PNG, right, it will have transparent background. What is this image? Copy image address. Logically styling you can change, but I'm not getting any icons for now. Hopefully font awesome will allow me to copy icons. Huh? Font awesome icons. I hope I need CDN for them and different things require, but I cannot directly copy this way, right? I cannot copy. So for now, let's just imagine they are the things which we have. And here we have these images. Let's get these images. We'll make the size for them. For the making size, I can just write width here, and I can just use Alt. Okay, sorry. I can click here. I can just use Alt button and click here again and click here again. And simultaneously, I can just write width, and I am just writing 200 pixels. Simple. Okay. What happened? Okay, this is the 100% and they have become 200%. So let's go back and we'll make it 100 only. Okay, hopefully they are 100 pixels now. And what I can do, I can just get this class flex. Okay, dot flex. I can just come here and I can just display flex. Okay, they will be in flex now. By default, images and inline, no issues. Justify content center or align item center. Justify content, space between, space around, and align item center. Okay, the width I can remove with property. I can take it 100% also. This is how you can arrange the different cards and all these things. Like imagine this can be one card, one image, and all these things you can have. Different text and everything can be done. So this is the generation or creation of the basic layout with the help of Flexbox. Okay. So what is the task I want you to do is you just refer to this Flexbox cheat sheet for once. Okay. Remember the terminologies, and let me just write basic flex box layouts. Okay. Enter. if you just write this way, and you can just get some images, what layouts you can do. So you can try making these layouts. You can see, try making this one, or else try making this one, which is having three things: header, footer, side, article, and all these things. Or else try making this. Okay, any one of the layout you can choose, and I just want you to make this kind of activity here. Okay, you can just try making this complex layout with the help of Flexbox. Okay, or else you can make this layout. Any one layout will be okay. This layout, or this layout. Just type Flexbox basic layouts. Try designing a website which is having these layouts. Okay, this is the task for tomorrow. Hopefully, if you are possibly make these two layouts, this one and this one. Okay, this one and this one. For this, let me just save this image, or else we'll copy image address and we'll paste somewhere in our code. Okay, let me just paste the image address. Task layout images, and we'll make this way, and this is the one URL. Okay, sorry, the URL is not the URL, it's a dangerous thing. Instead, I can save these images better. Okay, you can just try making these similar layouts. Okay, this one and this one. I'm just highlighting here again and again. Type this in your Chrome and you will get these two images. I just want these two layouts in the replit.com. That's all.